Hi Emily, sorry for the quality of the video earlier today. I apologize if you couldn't see all of it. I was just trying to do that from work and there was people in the office and I wasn't even sure if you could hear me with the noise in the background there. What I was trying to explain about number 2 is that if you're finding the variance, then you were going to use that formula that I gave you, which was the e to the x squared, so the expected value basically squared, minus e of x squared, like that, okay? And so this one here, I actually didn't work it through to a final answer for you. I just set it up for you in the other video. This one here is what we got already up here, and we did work out the integral there, I think. The second one, how you get that, the e x squared, is you're going to integrate x squared times your function. And so again, we'll put the 1/10 up front, and you have x squared times the 3x squared plus 1 dx, okay? And so what you're integrating here is 3x to the 4th plus x squared, and so your integral, I'm just afraid I'm going to run out of space here. Hang on a minute, see if I can move this all up. Oh, I can. Okay, so we have 1/10, and we're integrating 3x to the 4 and x squared dx, and we're going to do that over 0 to 2, just like we did in the first part. So taking the integral, we're going to have 3/5 x to the 5th plus 1/3 x cubed, and that's going to be evaluated over 0 to 2. So I'm going to leave it up to you there to just substitute 2 into this equation, and then substitute 0 into that equation, which is going to give you 0, and evaluate that. And your variance is going to be this value minus the value that you got in the, minus the square of the value that you got in the first part. So I hope that helps, and sorry for the quality of the last video.